Alright guys, so as you can see, I came in at the nick of time. I was here before he was, and as you can see, I scored lots of goodies. I'll show you what I picked up when I get home, guys. There's lots of goodies in here.
What's up, Diecast fam? Your boy Bugatti here. I hope you're having a great Sunday. So guys, I picked up lots of goodies. Unfortunately, I couldn't record because, as you saw on the video, there was another guy there with his girlfriend and they were talking it up and stuff like that. I didn't want any distractions, so I decided to just grab everything and come home and show you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. The first car I picked up is this cool Armadillo. This is from the Hot Wheels Screen Time, and this is from the new movie Disney Pixar Lightyear. Here it is. I also picked up this cool Hot Wheels kit concept. This is from the Hot Wheels Exotics, and this is the famous Knight Rider. So pretty cool. I also picked up this cool Rajin Express. This is a real Asada design, and this is from the HW Arts Cars. This is the third variation. Now we have it in a cool 24 karat gold. Look at that, guys. I know it's a fantasy casting, but I dig it. So here it is. I also picked up this cool Batmobile. As you can see, this is from the Batman series. This is 5 of 5, and this is from the new Batman movie. Pretty cool. Comes in a metallic gray with a black interior. Very cool casting. Next one up is this cool 1940 Ford pickup truck. Check that out, guys. Very nice. I also picked up this cool 1969 Copo Camaro from the Muscle Mania series. Check this out, guys. This car comes in a beautiful cherry red. It's got the cool white hockey stripe black interior. It's got the cool 5-spoke chrome wheels on it. It says Camaro right there. Beautiful, beautiful casting, guys. Must have for all you Muscle Mania collectors. I also picked up this cool 1987 Dodge D100. This is from the HW Daredevil series. This is the regular treasure hunt. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful black color. It's got a red interior. It's got the Mopar deco and colors. Here it is, guys. Very cool. I also picked up this cool Corvette C8.R. This is from the Then and Now series. Check that out, guys. This is an absolute beauty. Very cool. I also picked up 1965 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. This is from the Muscle Mania series. We now have it in a beautiful green with black interior. It's got the cool white racing stripes on top. Very, very nice. We also have this 2006 Pontiac Gto from the HW Drag Strip series. Love the deco, love the decals, love the colors. Beautiful car, man. It's got some cool details on the front as well. Very, very nice. Really digging the cherry red, black interior. Can't go wrong with black and red, guys. It's got some sponsors down here and the number 6. Very, very nice. I also picked up this awesome Porsche 911 GT3. This is from the Factory Fresh series, and as you can see, it's new to market. It comes in a beautiful royal blue. It's got a black top, dark glass all around. It's got the Porsche badge. It's got the lenses, has headlights, very cool. And it's got some cool detail on the tail lights and the plate. Very, very cool. I know Derek at Honest Diecast would love this casting. So here it is. I also picked up this very cool 1994 Bugatti Eb110 Ss. This is from the HW Turbo series. As you can see, this is a real Asada design. Very cool casting. Love the color, love the casting. I hate the wheel choice. They could have done much better, but it does have some very cool detail on the taillights and on the plate. Love that spoiler. Very, very nice. And it does have lenses as opposed to decals on the headlights. So very, very nice. I also picked up this awesome 1984 Auto Sport Quattro. This is from the Rally Champ series. And as you can see, we have this in a beautiful yellow color with white wheels. It's got some cool sponsors on the sides there. Very nice. Lacks some detail on the tail lights, but it's all right. It does make up for it on the front though. Very, very nice. I also picked up this beautiful Aston Martin V12 Speedster. This comes in a beautiful pearl white. Love the wheel choice. Love all the detail. Check that out, guys. You can't go wrong with factory fresh cars. These have a lot of detail. Check that out. Very, very nice. I also picked up this beautiful Automobile Pininfarina Battista. I picked it up last time, but it's such a beautiful casting that, you know, I can't just have one or two. I have to have at least three. One to open, one to keep sealed, and the other one to do a wheel swap on. So check this out, guys. Has some pretty cool decals on the front and on the back as well. Beautiful, beautiful casting. There you go. I also picked up this beautiful LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. This is from the HW Exotics series. We have this in a beautiful white color. Check this out, guys. It's got a lot of cool details on the front. Lacks some taillight detail, but it's all right. Those could be added on very easily. Very cool. I also picked up a recolor of the cool Mclaren F1. Now I have this in a beautiful orange. It's got some cool detail on the front and on the back as well. Very nice. And this is, of course, from the Factory Fresh series. You cannot go wrong with the Factory Fresh series cars. They have a lot of detail on them. So there you go. Picked up this beautiful LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15. This is from the HW Turbo series, and we now have this in a beautiful yellow. Check that out, guys. Love the color, love the deco. Everything about this car is absolutely amazing. Love the spoiler. Telling you guys, everything about this casting is absolutely stunning. Here we have this cool 1995 Mazda Rx-7. This is from the HW Drift series. Now this is a carryover from the previous case. I only managed to find two of them. I had to pick up a third one. So here it is. I love the Falcon livery. Love the wheel choice. There you go. I also picked up another LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT. This is from the HW Dream Garage series. I only managed to find one of them last time, so I picked up two more. So check this out, guys. It's got lenses instead of decals, and it's got the Hot Wheels Race Team decal right there. It does lack some details on the back, but that's okay. Absolutely love it. And last but not least, guys, I found the Nissan Skyline Ht 2000 GTX. This is from the HWJ Import series. Unfortunately, it is not the Super Treasure Hunt, but it's still a very cool casting. I was lucky to get there exactly when they were pinging them. They put out two cases. They were both duds. But this one is not a bad looking casting. Even though it's the mainline, it still looks really, really good. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.